Hi everyone, Aksana here. Let me know that my audio is working. Victoria, can you check for me to make sure my audio is working and my light is good? Let's turn the light on a little bit.
Yes, it's working.
Okay, great. So if you're watching this video, say hello to us, as well as if you have any questions about your health and you needing help in the new year, let us know. You can also put your comments below this video and let us know what questions you have for us. So the first thing I want to talk about is the primary reason majority of our clients are able to rapidly get results in their health by working with us is due to the individualized daily one-on-one guidance and education that they receive. For example, if we simply just told people, eat 10 apples, just like one of our clients was told to eat 10 apples or to eat more apples by her past nutritionist, that would not make sense. And you try it for a day or two before you would give up. Without understanding the reasoning behind the recommendations, it's easy to abandon the guidance that you're getting when you're faced with uncertainty or challenges. So our goal is to not be like many healthcare professionals who constantly offer diet advice without sufficient context, leaving people confused and overwhelmed. So for instance, one expert might recommend to eat, let's say, spinach for Hashimoto's disease, while another claims spinach could worsen your condition. Who should you believe? Who should you listen to in this case when there's so much conflicting information? So in our approach, we emphasize the importance of personalized education that we provide for people who work with us to ensure our clients not only understand what to do, but also why it's crucial for their specific health needs, why it's important, as well getting very specific instructions, not just eat more apples. So we teach you how to stop your immune system from attacking your body and also how to accelerate your organ healing in the case of autoimmune diseases. And medicine, it does not make your disease go away. Medicine can prolong people's life and it can help people with symptoms while people still continue getting sicker. As well as in case of Hashimoto's, we've seen many of our clients, like one of our clients, Barbara, her thyroid was removed and then she was diagnosed with arthritis disease. So removing an organ like your thyroid does not get rid of an autoimmune disease. And the immune system will target another organ, which has been the case for so many of our clients. So what we do is we focus on using nutrition in the right dosage, in the right way, to help you repair the immune function, create healthy immune cells, so your immune cells no longer attack your body. And then we also focus on helping you repair the inflammation that has been done. So if you're really motivated to take action right away on a feedback, because we provide feedback for our clients every day, and it's each person's responsibility to submit their daily reports to us. So because we provide daily feedback for each person we work with, we're not able to work with hundreds of clients at the same time. There's only a few dozen of clients who are able to work with us at the same time, but also the reason why we do that is because we want to help people get their health back. And the only reason that it actually works is if you're getting daily help from us. Otherwise, people would not be getting results rapidly. And that's why if you've been working with so many different doctors, the reason why you're so sick is because they're not supervising you, but as well as they don't have the experience helping people get their health back to help you identify what's working and not working. So if you're really motivated to take action on a feedback and you commit to your recovery, it really takes commitment to becoming symptom free, then these are the people we work with. In fact, we have clients who have worked with us. They worked with us for 6 or 8 weeks because they've learned what they had to do. They were able to completely get off their thyroid medication. They actually were able to recover their thyroid function. Some of them had alopecia, their hair regrew back. And other clients been able to become symptom free and remain symptom free. So it's complete recovery. How do you know that you completely healed? is because you no longer have any symptoms and you're able to be more flexible with your lifestyle and not get symptoms back. But notice that we coach you every day. We look over everything you do based on what we personalize for you. So first we create a recovery plan to tell you what you need to do. And then we'll look over everything you're doing and the symptoms you're experiencing and how you're feeling as you progress through your healing. So regardless how long you've been sick or which organs have been affected by your disease, it's always a good idea to optimize what you're doing for rapid healing. That's what we're focusing without the supplements, therapies, herbs, or testing, so you can get a better quality of life. And what we noticed is a lot of people, they do IVs, they do therapies, but they have to continue doing it for the rest of your life. There's also somebody we met who runs a clinic where he has a lot of patients who come to him with arthritis, and they do different types of therapies along with physical therapy, and he has different machines that they have to use, but they can have to continue using those services because their pain comes back as soon as they stop doing it, or they're not able to fully become symptom free. So some of his patients are spending anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000 a year doing IVs and using his clinic, while our clients are able to recover who follow our process long enough and participate in the program too. So it requires participation. They're able to actually get better rapidly and not need to do all those extra things. So let me know what questions you have for me regarding what we do with people and how we help them. So we help them every day, give you feedback on your symptoms, your progress. We help you identify maybe what could be slowing down your recovery, what you're not doing enough of, based on hundreds of results, helping people become symptom free. Another thing I noticed is there's a lot of doctors who tell you they can help you, but people don't ask them for results. So they just have a bunch of quotes from people that they helped, and their patients don't even share what symptoms improved, how long it took them to get better. If you go to a website, if I'm able to share my screen, does anyone know if you can share your screen on Facebook? Hi Jenna, thanks so much for sharing our live stream. Let me see if I can share. This is opportunity for you to ask us questions live. Let's see. I don't know if I'm actually able to share my screen on here. I thought I was able to do it, but I can't. But we put a website at the bottom. Let's see. My sister shared with you a website. So go to that website link. Let me see if I can pin it.
It's pinned.
Oh, she already pinned it?
I think it's pinned.
She already pinned the comment. And you can go to a website and you can see how, like, day 16, we share our clients. I can even click on it and just start going over it, like how long it took them to start seeing results. So my question for you, if you're working, most people who come to us, they already worked with many doctors, but they're still sick. So if you're working with somebody right now, do they look at your progress, like day 17, what are you experiencing? We had a client whose joint pain was better 9 to 7. She started with joint pain 10 out of 10. And then we see then day 18, because every day we monitor your progress. She no longer had any nausea. Day 25, her joint pain was down. She still felt fatigue. And then by day 25, she noticed that it was the first day less pain overall at level 5, because we communicate with our clients every day. That's what they're telling us. And then day 29, she said, I'm just endlessly amazed at your investment in me. And that's because what kind of doctor is going to sit with you every day and help you get your health back? And then she said, in almost 8 years, I've never had the availability, support, encouragement, and genuine investment from any physician. In 8 years since she'd been sick. Day 29. And then day 38, she said that she was able to lift arms without pain. Day 40, her pain went down from 5 to 10, from 10 out of 10. And her brain fog has improved. So this is what we have documented with every single person we worked with. And we haven't even updated our websites because it takes a long time to update the websites with recent results. But all of our recent results are shared here as well. But this is not even everybody. Because if you go to our website, you see so many videos, emails from our clients that we've been able to help. But we're not even able to share everyone because it takes a long time to update the pages. So if you are working with someone right now, are you getting that type of hands-on support? And are you actually healing, or are you just managing the disease? With most people do it with medications. And so let me know if you have any questions about that, because we teach you how to create healthy body. So it means your skin improves, your hair improves. We notice so many doctors talk about anti-aging, longevity, but when you look at their website, they don't have any results. And their programs, actually, I saw $15,000, and it's a lot of course material that you watch, and you're not getting one-on-one help. It's group programs, and they're $15,000, while our clients are getting hands-on one-on-one help to help you work with you individually rather than the group, because in the group setting, people are not able to actually open up and share their struggles. Because in the group setting, are you going to share with like 10 other people that you're having diarrhea because you have colitis? Are you going to talk about, what your struggles? Are you going to be concerned to express your challenges that you're facing? Most people are not going to be doing it in a group setting. And that's why a lot of group programs, they don't help people recover, because you're not getting personalized daily help. I don't know any doctor right now who works with people every single day and provides them with feedback, education, and who has supportive community. There's no programs like that exist. People just do things on their own, and they can't figure it out. If you know any program that exists like that, you can send us a message and share with us so we can see if it's anything at all similar to us. But for example, another client we worked with who was struggling with Hashimoto, she's one of our recent clients. She saw improvements in her migraine. She was having migraines several times a day and really low energy. And these are common symptoms with Hashimoto's disease. People can experience hair loss. They can experience fatigue, migraines. And she was able to see results in 8 weeks. And what we need to focus in on is by reversing this chronic inflammation in the body. That's what we do. And fixing your immune system, we have had clients who were able to restore thyroid health over time. And anxiety, depression, and brain fog, these are common in people who have Hashimoto's disease. These are common symptoms. So learning how to repair your cells without the supplements not only aids your physical symptoms, but it can also significantly improve your mood and cognitive function. One of the classes I teach, and you can buy that class actually for only $47 right now. We teach you some of the things you can do to improve your brain function and memory, because that's the main thing that a lot of people struggle with. So if you want that class, you can go to our website and get that class. It's just victoriaxan.com, and you can find that class. So that's why if Hashimoto's can lead to other diseases if you don't reverse it. So it can increase the risk of developing like type 1 diabetes. It can like celiac disease, heart disease, because of this chronic inflammation. So most doctors, they train to treat Hashimoto's disease, which is autoimmune disease that destroys your thyroid, but prescribing medications. So they just give you thyroid hormone replacement to manage your thyroid function, but it still is not fixing the immune system that's actually caused the disease to develop in the first place. And doctors may see autoimmune damage as permanent because without significant experience in the lifestyle changes, the dietary changes, the immune system continues attacking the body. And many patients, they fail to reverse Hashimoto's in spite of eating healthy, because your definition of healthy may still include foods that trigger the inflammation, and you might not be realizing it. Or most of the time, what we noticed, it could be some key missing elements that are required in the right way. For example, we very specific when it comes to our clients and telling them what to do. Like what do they have, how much they have to eat, minimum requirements, how to prepare the food, how much water they have to drink minimum, and other things that they have to do every single day to make sure that they are repairing the disease rapidly. And then also we help them with challenges like if you have holidays coming up, how do you stay committed to your healing to make sure that you still enjoy the holidays and still heal your body. So that's why it takes a lot of dedication, commitment, And a lot of people, I believe, they're not ready to actually do it. Even though many people want to heal, they're not able to do what it requires for them to get it, or they're just not getting the right support, that they burn out. And what happens is people just give up, and they think there's some kind of special case, that just because you see people who heal with us, they think maybe it's not possible for you because you haven't experienced it for yourself. And Janet said, thank you, Victoria and Alexandra, for helping my daughter with rheumatoid arthritis and Hashimoto's. It's been 2.5 years, and she's doing amazing. Thank you so much, Janet. We really appreciate your support. Hi, Mariella. Good to see you. Thank you, Janet. We are so grateful for you. Janet is one of our clients, and we helped her daughter. Her daughter was only 19 years old when she started experiencing joint pain from rheumatoid arthritis and Hashimoto's disease. And her daughter has not needed to have the need for medications because she's been able to become symptom-free with our help in 6 weeks when we worked with her 2.5 years ago. And we had many other clients like that. If you go to a website that we pinned, you can go see for individual cases, but that website is just for arthritis. But if you have a specific case that you want to learn how we can help you with your situation, then the best way is just to send us a message or send us an email and share more about what you're struggling with, and we can let you know whether or not we can help you, because we'll reference it based on our experience helping other people in a similar situation. So if you're not sure whether or not we can help, you can send us an email. And another thing I want to know is what is it you're doing right now. You can share in the comments if you're watching the replay. I don't know what time it is. Most people are driving from work. It's 6 o'clock. It could be 5 o'clock for you, or even earlier if you're in Las Vegas or California. So if you're watching a replay, you can let us know in the comments what is it you've been struggling with, where you have questions. And I try to connect from Zoom, so I'm able to bring people in on my live call or share my page. I'm actually not able to connect Zoom to Facebook. I'm not sure if anyone knows how to do it. Let me know. Because otherwise, live on Facebook, I'm not allowed to share anything. I thought you were able to share my screen before, because I remember in the past you were able to do it. Settings, stream, comments, live tab. Oh, okay, never mind. Okay, so I see start share screen. It doesn't have that option. So while I'm here, if anybody has any questions, let me know. There's really nothing. I can't share anything. Oh, okay, I'm back to my window. Otherwise, I'm going to finish up this video. Victor, anything else I should address on this live? Oh yeah, so another thing I wanted to ask is what do you want us to share on this page? Because we notice when we share a lot of client testimonials, it doesn't reach anybody, it doesn't get any views. But when we share some kind of quizzes, educational content, it gets more views. So if there's anything specific you want to see on this page, then you can ask us in the comments what is it you want us to share or educate you on. Alright, then I'm gonna finish this video, and thanks so much everyone for joining. Mariella, Janet, thanks for joining the meeting, and then we'll talk to you soon.